feels like Groundhog Day. I'm in the fucking tent again. I can't be in this tent tonight. Let's see what happens. In the terminal, one last time, we hope. Yeah, flying out today. Optimistic. He's not, I am. We will make this happen. They are loading our bags onto a plane. I think they're our bags. They're loading bags onto a plane. So it's a good sign. It's a good sign. Donna, what's actually happening at the moment? Look, plane, airfield. That's not a plane actually, that is a fuel tanker, clearly. Right, here we are. Let's see about getting on this plane, baby. Made it. So, what was it like landing there?
Oh, it was great sight. It's great fun to come in the most dangerous airport in the world and survive it.
Just had a nice breakfast. We're about to leave Lukla to go start a walk up the mountain. Already the altitude has started to take its toll. Headache, massive headache, so I've had to take some paracetamol. We're on the altitude tablets, but there's a few people going down, like literally get off an airplane and everybody's like, oh! It's amazing how it happens, but hey ho. So we're now going to go hit the road, Jack. Get up. What? All right. Hey! Oh, it's a bit of a rapidy one, this one. So many of these things. You're right there, Dad.
Well, I'm just going to charge for anybody who wants to come and watch us use the bathroom.
Is that your bedroom? Is that our bedroom?
It is indeed.
Is that our bathroom?
It is. This is our bathroom.
And, is this the corridor?
That is the corridor, yeah.
And is this someone else's room? Guys, I think there's something wrong with your lights. Right, you're right in there. It's like a Punch and Judy show. Do you want to take us for a tour? Right, so that's
our ensuite. We've got an ensuite.
Ensuite with a shower.
We thought we were going to be wrapping
It's actually a corridor ensuite.
It's a corridor ensuite, yeah.
And then And then into the main the main room with some really glam stuff. But it's a bed, and we are like almost 2.5 times the height of Ben Nevis at the moment. So this will do.
Interesting. 51. Cool.
Is that a good score?
Yeah, it's good.